Hi there, I'm Nicole from Net Your Problem. You may not know it, but fishing gear is made out of plastic, and that means that it's recyclable. You just have to prepare it properly, and that's what we're going to learn how to do today. Recycling fishing gear is just like recycling milk jugs or cardboard at your house. You need to know which items are recyclable, which aren't, and put them in different bins. For fishing gear, we just need to separate out the nylon web from everything else, and we can do that in 5 easy steps. And this shouldn't be much extra work for you. During normal web stripping operations, the cork line and the lead line are already separated, so you've already done most of the work. Unfortunately, the twines, and if you use a weed line, are not recyclable, so we have to keep that stuff separate. This means you might need to modify your usual stripping operations, but it means the days of taking web to the landfill are over. Elma's going to show you how to do the stripping properly now.
What's up, everybody? My name's Elma. I fish Bristol Bay. Today I'm going to show you some steps to strip your gillnet so that it can be accepted for recycling. I've set up my workstation. I've got KDLG on the radio, some coffee, a Sharp Vicky, and some gloves.
After you've completed step 1, which is to set up your workstation, step 2 is to stack your net to the full extension. Step 3 is to tie off the net using a knot that can be undone. We don't want to introduce any more non-recyclable twines to the process. Step 4 is to cut the knots as you normally would. Some may choose to go slow and separate the twine as you go. You can do this by holding the recently cut piece of twine in your left hand, if you're a right-handed person, and throwing that twine to the side once you've cut the next knot. Alternatively, because we know people just want to get this done, you can cut the knots as you normally would, but this will require a small extra step at the end. Step 5 is to elevate the web and pull out the hanging twine. This just takes a little extra time once you're finished, but it makes a difference between sending your net to the landfill or being able to recycle it. So now that you know how to prepare your fishing net for recycling, you need to check and see if there's a recycling program in your home port. If there is, you should absolutely participate. If there isn't, you should contact Net Your Problem and we can get started in your area. It is our mission to collect end-of-life fishing gear from fishermen in coastal communities and send it to our worldwide recycling partners. Before we say goodbye, I want to thank you for your attention and for spending about 10 extra minutes when stripping your gear. It really makes a big difference. 91% of all the plastic that's produced is not recycled. But by using recycled and plastic in manufacturing, we can save landfill space, electricity, oil, and we can reduce carbon emissions. Old web may seem like trash to you, but it's a valuable resource to a recycler. We really appreciate you doing your part to make responsible disposal of your gear part of your normal business operations.